Hello ladies and germs. Today I'm going to do a quick unveiling of the 2022 Olight Warrior 3S. Now I just got this in the mail today, so I'm going to do a quick unveiling and then that's it. So as you know, it's kind of hard to do things one-handed, so I had to stop the video and open it up. So here we go. This is what the box looks like. Alright, it has this magnetic fold right here. It comes with a case, and that's the reason why I wanted it, because it came with a case. And I'm a security guard, so I needed that holster. It also comes with the battery cable and books, and I guess that's it. And then all you gotta do is click that part. This part will release. And here it is. All right, thank you guys.